Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Fidelity Individual Stocks. Fidelity is a well-established online brokerage firm that allows you to buy and sell individual stocks with ease. To get started, you need to open a Fidelity account, which can be done online or by phone. Once your account is open and funded, you can begin buying individual stocks. First, navigate to the Fidelity website and log into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Trade tab and select Stocks. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy and click on Get Quote. Review the current price and other relevant information before deciding to make a purchase. Next, click on the Buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a specific price at which you want to buy the stock, known as a limit order. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct before submitting it. Once you have submitted your order, Fidelity will execute it at the current market price or at your specified limit price. You can monitor the status of your order from the Trade tab on the Fidelity website. It is also important to keep in mind that buying individual stocks involves risk, and there is always a possibility that you could lose some or all of your investment. To minimize risk, it is essential to do your research and set clear investment goals before buying individual stocks. Consider factors such as the company's financial health, industry trends, and competitive landscape. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different stocks and asset classes. In addition to buying individual stocks, Fidelity also offers a range of other investment products, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and options. These products can provide a way to diversify your portfolio and potentially reduce risk. However, they also involve their own unique risks and fees, so it is essential to do your research and understand the terms and conditions before investing. By following these steps and doing your research, you can buy individual stocks with confidence. Using Fidelity. Remember to always keep your investment goals and risk tolerance in mind, and to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. With Fidelity's user-friendly platform and range of investment products, you can take control of your investments and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals.